joining in with more details on the F&O space. Nigel, over to you. What are you tracking?
Well, Ekta, you hit the nail on the head, right? The comments that came in from the SEBI chief, that definitely went ahead and dented sentiment a little bit, and that's why we've come off the high point of the day. The Nifty's resistance is around the 25,150 because last few times we've actually seen the Nifty move towards that mark, and in fact, we have pulled back from there. So today, since it's weekly expiry, this 25,150 is the important mark the bulls will be eyeing. On the upside, the bears, they are positioned to protect that level. The Nifty bank, that's been a relative underperformer, and even in today's trading session, the 20 and the 50 DMA, just pull up that chart, you'll see that that band is from where we are seeing some kind of resistance. And all through this week, that level has been getting rejected. So that as well is the important mark that we're looking at. You'll want the Nifty to decisively cross this range. In terms of options data, the 25,100 put the premiums down from around 70-80 rupees. That's come down because that's the position where we're seeing a lot of writing. So that particular strike, big open interest built up and the premium crashing out there. The 25,150 call, though, that's seeing a big amount of open interest built up. The premium as well has come down, telling you there is aggressive writing being seen at that level as well. So just going by the data points, 25,150, important mark on the upside. That's the resistance zone. On the downside, the 25,020 mark is important because the premium was roughly around that 80 rupees odd. Stocks that I'm looking at, PG Electroplast, the one that's gone back into the F&O band. There is some short covering yet again. So that's the important mark, though it has to see a bigger short covering bounce for it to come out of the F&O band. But that's what's playing out there. The other stock that we're looking at is Titagarh Rail Systems. And that could be the put stock that could potentially, come out of the F&O band because it's seen a fair bit of unwinding, fair bit of short covering in today's trade. Poonawalla, well, out there, we're seeing some unwinding of positions. So those are all the big stocks. I think Titagarh is the one you should be keeping on your radar. I'll give you an update at around 2:45, 3 p.m. later today. But that's a possible stock that could come out of the F&O band. Back to you guys.
Okay, Nigel, thanks so much for that. We'll wait out for that final update also, what's going to be coming out of that ban or going in the ban from you, 2:45. But on that note, we're going to slip into a very short break. On the other side, Manisha Gupta will be speaking with Amit Goyal of Pace 360. Stay tuned in for that.